On Christmas Eve, we wear a dress and jeans. I really could not decide what I wanted to wear, but I felt like I should give the red Bah Humbug sweatshirt a little bit of a break. So I'm busting out the silk Looney Tunes dress over a turtleneck with my Abercrombie jeans. Just to be a little bit warm because we're gonna go look at Christmas lights. We're gonna go outside and do a little Astra Lumina, if that's even what it's called, a little Christmas light event.
It's so cold, my eyes are watering. Claire used to live for this shit, especially in the cold.
Also spends 30 minutes styling bangs, sticks head out car window, and they're destroyed instantly. Oh, lovely! Just in time for rain to start, right when we decide to go outside.
It's 46 degrees.
46 degrees and raining, perfect. Time to look at Christmas lights. It seems like everybody else in the North Seattle area had the same idea. This neighborhood is really cool though, I don't blame them. Olympic Manor in Seattle, usually all the houses decorate with lights, little blow up things. A few years ago they even had a gorilla with a Santa face glued on top of his, which was my favorite decoration by far. While we're sitting here at 0 miles an hour, check out these little light up mushies. La 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 la.
Looks like there's people already vaping.
We're in. This looks so cool. No wonder I feel so at peace right now. Nothing makes me feel at home like 963 HC. I feel like the Chinese garden in Seattle was the perfect place to do this. Outside, cool, landscape, lots of space. Wow. Falling stars, open your heart to the arrival of the stars. This is so cool. and a little bit spooky and eerie. Cosmic Choir. Experience the celestial symphony of fallen stars. So cool. Next up, Celestial Trail. Immerse yourself in the flowing force of astral energy. That word is so hard for me to say. Rise of the Stars. Starting to shake a little bit. I am getting cold. Now my nose is getting a little rosy too. It is starting to get a little chilly out here. Honestly, feels like it could snow. Definitely isn't going to, but. And the grand finale, the giant disco ball. This whole thing is so cool. Christmas Eve event. Well, that was so cool. What do you think? Thumbs up over here. Thumbs up all around. This pizza is huge. Yeah, definitely roll your sleeves up for this. It's so good. Our Christmas tradition, Miracle on 2nd at Rob Roy. I'm still so cold from the Luminasia Astro, what is it called? Astra Luminasia? Astra Lumina. Astra Lumina. I am still freezing from the Astra Lumina and super full from the pizza at Rocco's, but it is our Christmas tradition to go to Miracle on 2nd at Rob Roy. So we have got to do that. It closes tomorrow, so this is like the second to last day to do it. Probably won't be going on Christmas, so it's kind of now or never. And a little change of plans. The line outside of the Rob Roy was not long, but it was moving very, very slow. And the lady said, go down the street to our sister location. There's no line. And she was right. We're already in. Cute little tiki drinks. It's so cute in here. We love it.
Electric lights on strings, now there's a smile on everyone.
This looks delicious.
Yes.
Ooh, the Parmesan was for the Brussels sprouts.
Wait, trigger guide to relationship.
Looks really good.
I mean, if there were mistletoe over me, right?